Hi, my name is Joshua Johnson. I'm assuming that you just uploaded a YouTube video and now you're wondering whether or not you can share that video, and that's going to depend on the privacy settings. So I'm going to take you into your YouTube account and show you where you can change between the three privacy settings on a YouTube video. It can be private, unlisted, or public, and I'll show you the differences. So here I am in my YouTube channel. I'm logged in, so I'm going to go up and click on my account picture and click on the Creator Studio. Once I'm in the Creator Studio, I'm going to see some of the most recent uploads. I like to go over to the Video Manager. This is where I can see all the videos that I have and have a really quick way to identify whether or not it is unlisted, private, or public. On the right hand side over here, you're going to see this link icon. That means it's unlisted. That means no one is going to be able to search and find my video. The only way they could watch it is if they get the actual link to the video. The other type that you will see is private, and that's got a little lock on here. That means that this video can only be viewed by someone that I've specifically given permission, meaning I've shared it with their Google account or their YouTube account. The last ones over here are public. The public ones are kind of like unlisted, only those ones will show up on your channel. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to open this up and go to my YouTube channel, and you're going to see that not all of the videos that I had there are public videos. Only the ones that I have listed as public are ones that people could search for on YouTube and find on my channel. So going back, if I want to change the permission that one of my videos has, in my Video Manager, I'm going to click on the Edit button. And there's a couple other options I can do here. I can change or even upload a custom thumbnail, the picture that people will see. But underneath the basic info is the unlisted button. I'm going to be able to change between public, unlisted, and private. I'm going to show you private. If I make it private, when I go to share this video, I actually have to share it specifically with someone who has a YouTube account, which is a Google account, which is primarily a Gmail account. So most of the videos that I use are unlisted. You can't find them unless I give you the link. That link happens to be here. You can also find that link on most YouTube videos by clicking the share button in the top right corner, or if you're actually on the video page, which I'll go over here. If you're actually on the YouTube page, that share button is typically found underneath it. And it will allow me to share it with individual people. It will also give me the link to copy. There's another option under sharing if I want to embed that video. That gives you an embed code that is quite often used in embedding it within a discussion forum or on a Moodle page, for example. So hopefully that helps you understand how to share your video and how to make sure that the video is marked as unlisted so that anyone can watch it, provided they have the YouTube link.